corner. Stahl trying to center. Raffle tipped it away. Now the Flyers throw it all the way down and into the empty net. Empty net goal for the Flyers. Puts it away as they have a 5-3 lead. Kevin Hayes ends his drought in style with an empty netter from long range to put this one away.
Boy, with a bloody nose, comes out here in the last 30 seconds is Alain Vigneault's guy after Claude Giroux and his unit with Sean Couturier made a change, and he just drills this. Way to go, Kevin Hayes. He's had a strong game. I'd have to think really hard to find a Flyer that didn't have a strong game in this one. Well done, Kevin Hayes.
5th of the year, ends that goal drought at 12 and puts the Flyers in the win column. This one is over. The Flyers able to emerge victorious. Brian Elliott, a huge part of it with some spectacular stops late. Big night for the captain. Giroux ends up with 4 points. Frost 2 points. Konechny 3. Lots of players, as Bill just mentioned, contributing, and the Flyers win it 5-3. They end their 4-game winless streak and the Carolina 4-game win streak in one fell swoop.
It's time now for our Chevy player of the game. I'm not sure who it is yet, but I'm going to guess it's number 28, Claude Giroux. It better be. Claude Giroux with 2 goals and 2 assists. That assist was a textbook face-off. It's one thing to win a face-off. It's another one to put it right on the tape of a teammate flat. That tricky little play on the pass from Travis Konechny. So many good things for Claude Giroux, but this coaching staff wanted this team to get close to the blue paint, make plays there, get pucks there. And the Flyers did that, including Giroux. Both of his goals were just little chip-ins from in front.
Yeah, Giroux, Konechny, Frost.